Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we bring you the latest update, emotional moment and untold stories surrounding Sheikh Hamdan and his family. If you are new here and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe now and turn on the bell icon so you do not miss any important update from the royal world. In my last video, I shared a major development that shocked many royal watchers. Sheikh Hamdan finally married his longtime girlfriend Shamma Al Falasi. After his marriage, both of his Sheikhatani moved to London, taking 1/4 of Sheikh Mohammed wealth with her, while Hadia left Dubai and settled in Germany. Now Sheikh Hamdan is living peaceful with Shamma and his children Sheikha and Rashid. The children have developed a very warm, peaceful both with Shamma because Shamma is very young. She is only 28 years old this year. These kinds longingly call her sister. Despite her age, Shamma takes great care of them. She helps them with their sounding, spends time. Despite her age, Shamma takes great care of them. She helps them with their students, spends time playing with them, and supports them emotionally. Slowly, they have formed a sweet and harmonious little family. Sheikh Hamdan feels cannot and confident about the decision he made, and for the first time in a long while, he looks genuinely happy. However, this calm. A few days later, Sheikhatani unexpectedly returned to Dubai and arrived at Sheikh Hamdan main palace. She told the security that she had come only to collect some personally belonging that still belonged to her. At that time, Shamma was not at the place. She had taken the children to her own family home so they could visit her parents. While Sheikh Hamdan was at his office place, security contacted him and informed him about Sheikhatani's arrival. Sheikh Hamdan gave permission for her to enter the palace, but something left of him. Trusting his instinct, he immediately left his office and issued back to the palace. When Sheikh Hamdan arrived, he met Sheikhatani inside the palace. He calmly asked her, "How are you?" but instead of respecting loyalty, Sheikhatani replied sharply, saying, "You better not ask that." Soon after, she started yelling at Sheikh Hamdan, what being as concerned quickly turned into a heated argument. Sheikh Hamdan also raised his voice and the situation escalated. Annually, he told Sheikh Hathani that if she had collected all her belongings, she should leave the place immediately. Sheikh Hathani responded by saying she never came to live there and walked out. Although the argument ended, Sheikh Hamdan was deeply hurt by her words. Despite that fact that Sheikh Muhammad had already given Sheikh Hathani on 1/4 of his wealth, her behavior remained harsh and disrespectful toward Sheikh Hamdan. Feeling disturbed, Sheikh Hamdan called his father Sheikh Muhammad and unacceptedly everything that had happened. Sheikh Muhammad became internally angry after hearing about the incident. He immediately called Sheikh Hathani and strong reprimanded her for showing disrespect toward the Crown Prince of Dubai. He warned her clearly that if this behavior continued, he would cancel the agreement that conceded her son Muhammad as the next crown prince. This warming terrified Sheikh Hathani became everything she had done was to secure her and her children's future within the royal family. If Sheikh Mohammed choose another successor, it would mean the end of her influence and power. Realizing the seriousness of the situation, Sheikh Hathani remained silent and accepted her mistake. The conversion ended there. A few hours later, Shamma returned to the palace with the children. Sheikh Hamdan was still upset, and Shamma immediately sent in. If through his tone, she gently asked him what was wrong. Sheikh Hamdan then opened up and shared everything about the agreement with Shamma Sheikh Hathani. Shamma listened patiently and comforted him to lift his mood. She shouted that they prepare dinner together with the children. This small but meaningful moment threw peaceful back to Sheikh Hamdan heart, and he felt grateful for the family he now had. So these are the last update about Sheikh Hamdan and his family. I hope you found this video encouraging and emotionally engagement. If you enjoy watched, please do